Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Kevin with Exploring with K&C, and today we are going to do some cool mods for the Dakota, starting with some new taillights. So the old taillights, they're just pretty plain Jane. Here's what they look like. So here's the taillights that we're going to be replacing them with. LED. And then we're going to keep the reverse bulb that we have. It's going to go in there. And then this is a turn signal. This is a turn signal load resistor. And that keeps it from hyper flashing. It just stabilizes everything. So it should be pretty much plug and play, and let's get to it right now. To me, that's a big improvement. Let's do the second one. All right, let's take a look at our finished product here, and then we'll see if they work. What do you think? I think they turned out pretty good. Next, on to the new headlights. All right, so I think it goes without saying that I hate the headlights, the stock headlights of the Dodge Dakota. So I went ahead and ordered up some HID spider halo headlights that we're going to install next. But to show you how ugly the stock ones are, here you go. Ugly, plain, they're going bye-bye. I'm gonna unbox these spider halo headlights so you can see what we're gonna do next. All right, so here's the box they came in. Got some relay wires. Got some instructions. So this here is the HID ballast. It's going to connect up to the wires that control the HID bulb, which HID, I forget what it stands for, but it's brighter even than LEDs, cleaner and brighter. So we're going from this to this. So there's quite a bit of different wiring that I've never had to take on before, and so rather than drag you through that struggle, I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up the way it needs to be, and I'll explain everything once I get it all set up so that I can give you the Reader's Digest version. But super excited, man. This is going to give this truck a whole new look. All right, guys, so we got the headlights out, and what I gotta do now is I've identified the parking lights, and they're also the turn signal lights, hazard lights. I've got a voltmeter, and I gotta find out which is the constant wire. You know, I think that the left one is the one that powers the blinkers, and the middle one is the constant, but I got a voltmeter today and I'm gonna go ahead and test that out. But I can choose between two of these, this one here or this one here, and then you can see they've got 3 wires. So I'm gonna disconnect this light and then check the voltmeter and find out which is the constant, but I believe it's the center one. But yeah, I'll confirm that, and then the CCFL halo and LEDs, those are going to splice into that constant wire, so that when you turn your parking lights on, those will light up. You will notice that the readout is it fluctuates a little bit, but it's still holding above 11. The vehicle isn't running, by the way. Now, if I go to the green wire, you will see a huge fluctuation. That tells me that the green wire is the signal, and that's not the wire that we're going to be hooking our CCFL and our LED lights into. It's going to be the middle wire. Okay, that's the green wire on the outside, and that's the center wire. So there we go. I'm going to test the other one just to be on the safe side, but I'm sure it's just going to give me the same reading. And just as I thought, this is the center wire right here. I started the truck engine this time. Staying above 14 for the most part. And then if we check the outside wire, the outside wire is definitely the blinker. So middle wire on both, and we can move forward with the rest of the install on these new headlights.